Hi guys, my name is Vivek Lodha. I'm an active angel investor, and today I'm going to talk about things that HNI should remember before investing. In my last video, I spoke about how to invest, what is the framework that you want to look before investing. But here, all these friends of mine who keep, what do you want to take care, or is there something that you have to be careful about before investing? For all of my friends who keep asking me all these questions, and all those people and family funds who are interested in HNI investing in the angel investing network, these are certain things that you must take care before you invest. So the first and most important thing is know your budget. Know how much money you want to invest, what is your size, and then only you have to find deals as per your size. Sometimes deals look very lucrative, but the ticket size is very high, so you have to know how much money you're willing to invest. You make a kitty, and for every kitty there are investment options available. Once you have a kitty in hand, just because you have money in hand, you have allocated it, don't get too excited. Especially for initial or the early investors, they are very excited about when they meet a startup and when they see the energy, but I can tell you it is not always what it is seen. So you have to be very careful. Don't get excited. Take your own time, assess the problem, analyze the problem, and you really think it's a good startup, then only go ahead with it. Do a few meetings with the startup before you actually commit any amount. Once you've invested, don't just invest money, invest your time also. Since you have given money to the startup, make sure you're constantly in touch with them. You take updates from them. So it's like an education for you. Once you're giving money and you're giving time, it will kind of educate you, especially in that sector, what are the new developments that are happening, and also will tell you the way you analyzed before investing and now how it is going. So it's very important to give time to the startup also. Now, when you want to invest, there are multiple ways to invest. I would definitely recommend an angel investment forum like a Mumbai Angels or an Indian Angel Network, or if you are in Rajasthan, there is this Rajasthan Angel Investing Network called RAIN, or TIE is coming up with a network. So there are a lot of various networks you want to invest, because initially when you are an investor, it is always safer to be part of an angel network, because they would do due diligence for you, which you will not be able to do yourself. Also, they'll be able to give you some curated deals, which as an individual, it is very difficult to look out for. Once you've decided where to invest, it's very important that you have a clarity that you are on the same page with the startup. So if startup wants to go in north and you want it to head in west, then I don't think it's a good idea to invest. You should probably invest in a startup which kind of aligns with the way you think, or especially is at least in the direction in which you want it to proceed. Then only, or else you'll be very unsatisfied or very dissatisfied with your investment. When you have already invested, it's a long-term value game. It's not that you invest today and get returns tomorrow. It's not like a systematic investment plan that you invest today and 2 years you will get return. It's a long-term value relationship. You have to wait for some time to get some returns. It's very normal to be waiting for 5 to 7 years before you get a return. But I can assure you, the returns that you get would be exceptional and will be much higher than what you would be probably getting through any of your other alternative investment routes. So being an angel investor, you have to be patient. You cannot be impulsive in making your decisions. You have to be patient in making decisions, and also once you made decisions, then you have to be again patient for your investment to reap some returns. Be mentor to the startup. Try to help them in whatever ways you can, by guiding them or by getting them some business or getting them some leads or helping them in their normal compliances and office routine work. Whatever ways you can help them, definitely try to help them. Be very patient. They are not your level. You would be an entrepreneur who would have a big empire. So these young chaps do not know a lot, but they are very passionate about their idea, and eventually they will definitely help you to go places. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to know more about angel investing, I keep writing a lot of articles on my LinkedIn profile. Please check my LinkedIn profile. Thank you and have a good day.